Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a compact but powerful inverter circuit. The circuit has the functions of low voltage protection, output voltage regulation, overload protection and short circuit protection. The circuit is designed to be compact, with a width of 6 cm and a length of 10 cm. Input voltage 12 volt, output voltage 250 volts, power reached to 300 watts. You can use to power lights, computers, laptops, televisions. Input voltage is 12 volt. Load is 60 watt, light bulb. Now we are going to test the short circuit function. I will short circuit the output with a metal rod. Let's see what happens. The protection circuit is active, the output power is disconnected until the power switch is turned off and on again. Let's check again. We see the protection circuit has worked very well. Next, we will check the anti-reverse connection protection. This is the case when the input power is connected to the circuit in the correct direction. Now, we will make the wrong connection by reversing the power supply. No explosion occurred. The circuit is just not working. The circuit works normally again when we connect the power supply in the correct direction. I will show you how does it works. We have the two MOSFET below. It only works when we power it in the right direction. So if we power it in the wrong direction, it won't work and our circuit is protected. The circuit also has low voltage input protection function. By adjusting this potentiometer, we can set the tripping voltage. The output voltage is regulated through this potentiometer. This is the power resistor used to enable short circuit protection. Sensitivity is adjusted through this potentiometer. This is the optocoupler used to activate the overload protection circuit. Now I will guide you how to make one like this after the sponsor's advertisement. This video is sponsored by JLC-PCB. One fact about them, JLC-PCB is the largest PCB prototype and supplier in China. With over 20,000 online orders per day, the production capacity is over 620,000 square meter, 1 layer or 2 layers PCB. Upload Gerber file to get high quality PCB at low price. And here are the results after 1 week. Box and PCB from JLC PCB. The circuit is designed to be compact, with a width of 6 cm and a length of 10 cm. The circuit uses transformer E28 with the number turns of the primary winding is 3 turns, the secondary is 120 turns. Detail in attached file. You can download it in the description of this video. Here are some electronic components that you need to prepare. Some components, such as MOSFETs, diodes, resistors and capacitors. Now I will connect them together. This is the driver circuit. You can download it in the description of this video. This circuit uses XSG3525 and LM358. Now I will connect them together. We also need to connect switches, LEDs, and power sockets to the circuit. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.